Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, here we are, and it's Super Bowl Sunday. And to be honest with you, I couldn't tell you who the hell's playing. But hey, it's always a good excuse for LiL Smokies. All they had were the cheddar ones. I like the beef ones better myself, but well, you get what you can around here sometimes. Ah yeah, a couple bags of these suckers. Ah yeah, the KC Masterpiece Original. Yeah, these stupid LiL Smokies, now they used to be 16 ounces, now they're 12 ounce. Well, these are 12 ounces. The newer packs they had were 10 ounces. It's like, holy smokes, it's getting smaller and the price didn't go down any. Yeah, that's how they get you. Yeah. I guess being they're smaller, I'm going to go with like 3/4 of a bottle. See what that looks like. That should be good. I got a little leftover bacon here. We'll toss in an onion. I don't own a cutting board, so cutting boards are delicious. And heck, I didn't even get no blood in it. Oh. Gotta add some pain. Chili pods. These little skins are kind of annoying on these, but you know, let's see, one. They don't chew up very well, but you know, you pick them out as you eat. And them seeds, oh my god, that's probably painful enough. What else we got? Oh, no fresh garlic, but we have powdered. Questionable call. Some pepper. Yeah, 2 packs used to mostly fill it up. We'll have to start going for 3. Well, pop the lid on her. Let her go for a few hours. And we'll be back. Well, we can wait a little longer. And hours later, so it could still go for a while. Ow, that's hot as hell. I need to get in there. I'm missing the puppy ball.